And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. 4 teeth of garlic. Let me chop this baby. I have a cast iron here, you can use whatever. So I'm going to do a couple tablespoons of unsalted butter. And I'm going to melt this baby, okay? Make sure your clams are closed. If they happen to be open, throw them away, okay? So, butter sitting up, 3 or 4 teeth of garlic, chop, put it there. You have to move it around because you don't want it burned. Let's move it around a little bit. Going to put a little bit of lemon. Some lemon juice, squeeze it. Oh, this smells delicious. It was a medium high, let me reduce it to a couple notches above medium. Now what I'm going to do, some white wine. Let me put the heat to high. And I'm going to add the clams. I also have some thyme, which I'm going to add soon after I put this here. Going to add some thyme. And I'm going to cover them, okay? That way they steam. About 6-7 minutes later, if they open, that means they're ready. If they didn't open, throw them away. So let's turn this off and get them out of here, okay?